Attorney Sarmiento, Commissioner Sarmiento has been made famous and popular as a commissioner of the commission elections.
Maraming salamat po,
Now,
Justice.
you do not propose to write your decisions in Filipino.
Mayroon po isang huwes, si Judge Gatbaitan, no? Nagsusulat po ng Tagalog, wikang Pilipino. Sa Bulacan, may isang huwes, nagsusulat po ng wikang Pilipino. But it will take a long time, ano po, na sumulat sa wikang Pilipino. But baka pwedeng pag-usapan po sa Korte Suprema, mas maraming makakaintindi po kung ano
I
po
wonder
ang
if that
desisyon.
will be published in the Supreme Court reports annotated.
Malaki pong adjustment po sa atin, pwedeng umpisahan po.
Will you write your decisions in English? As Chief Justice, not in Filipino. Do you believe that there are many provisions in the Constitution, 1987 Constitution, which you helped approve, that need amendments or revision?
Opo, kagalang-galang na hukom, Justice
Do you
Hermosissima.
agree to the
Opo.
convening of a constituent assembly to amend the Constitution instead of a constitutional convention?
Justice Hermosissima, I'm in favor of a constituent assembly as a mode of amending the Constitution. From 1789 up to the present, the U.S. Constitution was amended 27 times. In the process, Your Honor, please, was through Congress. No constitutional convention was convened in the entire history of the USA to amend the U.S. Constitution 27 times, though there were 11,000 proposed amendments to the U.S. Constitution, and the process was two-thirds of its House voting and then presenting to the state for ratification. So
All
ito
right,
po
in
ang,
the Constituent Assembly that is being proposed, with the Senate and the House, will they be voting together, separately or jointly?
Mr. Justice, you have to vote separately because kung jointly po, matatalo po ang Senado. I will follow the formula being proposed by my good friend and colleague in the Commission,
What is the statement?
Berna's formula.
What is the statement in the Constitution
Opo.
which you framed?
Constitution po, kung
Separately or jointly?
ang intindi po namin yan po sa Constitution as written textually, mukhang buo. Hindi po malinaw po no, ang ating Constitution tungkol sa amendment. Again, Mr. Justice, because of the issue of unicameral and bicameral, I think, in all honesty, it was overlooked by the Constitutional Commission, by the Committee on Style, kung bakit hindi po ito nalinaw.
So that's another provision that has been overlooked.
I think so, Mr. Justice, in all honesty and humility.
So what do you say? Separately or jointly?
It should be separately.
Separately.
Each House voting separately.
What do you say to the proposition of Father Bernas? That
It's a good-
that the House first approves certain provisions of the Constitution, amendments, and then it's brought up to the Senate for approval, for confirmation.
It is a good proposition from
Of course,
Father Bernas.
that should be approved by the people as a whole.
Totoo po yan for ratification by the people as a whole. Yan po ang tinatawag po, Justice Hermosissima, the Bernas formula, the Bernas mode of amending the Constitution. Ako po ay bukas at sangayon po sa kanyang proposisyon na ang kaparaanan po ay mangunguna ang mababang kapulungan at susunod po ang Senado.
Would you agree to a charter amendment that would allow the sale of Philippine lands to foreigners as opposed to the Krivenko doctrine?
Your Honor, please, sa ngayon po may mga proposals po to amend the economic provisions of the Constitution. Ako po ay bukas po dyan dahil nga po sa era of globalization. At batay po sa karanasan ng maraming bansa, binubuksan po ang kanilang ekonomiya. Yung 60-40 sharing formula or equity principle ay mukhang outmoded na po. At dapat buksan po ito para yung mga restrictions po sa ating saligang batas on economic provisions ay mabuksan. At tayo po ay makasama po sa mga bansang nangunguna po sa atin. That's why ako po ay sumasang-ayon na mag-usap po ang Senado, Kongreso at ang ating Pangulo para po pag-isipan po ang pagbabago ng ating saligang batas strictly on the economic provisions.
I went to Beijing some time ago, and well, there, since it's a communist country, no private individual is allowed to own lands. But yet, I could see several structures, hotels, and other buildings constructed by private individuals or private corporations. And so I asked them, why, how come? How did these people construct buildings which will last for years? The answer was they would lease the land for 99 years. Well, it's just like sale. Well, so you agree to the abolition of the 60-40 proposition?
Not necessarily po, Justice, na completely abolition of the 60-40 equity formula. Marahil po pwedeng dagdagan po. Pwede pong 80-20. Kumbaga, 60-40, medyo taasan po yung equity po.
The idea is to bring investments to
bring investments, Your Honor, please, baka pwede pong 50-50. Isa po magandang formula po yan. Isang 50-50. This will attract investments and based on studies ko, those with relaxed economic provisions in their constitution.
Do you agree to the amendments on the mining laws just recently proposed by the President?
Mainit po ang pagdedebate tungkol po sa mining laws, no? Pero ako po ay bukas if it will bring more investments to our country, provided properly regulated and with strict laws on enforcement. Kung ito po ay magpapaganda ng hanapbuhay ng bawat Pilipino, bakit hindi po? Kagalang-galang na ako.
Now, I suppose your forte is election laws.
Ako, hindi lang po election law, Justice Hermosissima. I worked for 9 years in the office of Senator Diokno. I was involved in the private practice of law for 26 years before
Have
I
you
joined
been a
government.
litigation lawyer then?
Opo. Yes, Your Honor, please. Handling criminal, civil, and labor cases.
So you realize that the Supreme Court is a court of general jurisdiction. And so if a case is assigned to you and it's not your forte, you cannot refuse.
Kaso po sa Regional Trial Court,
No, in Supreme Court.
yes, Your Honor, please. Well,
You're
it cannot,
applying,
of course.
You're applying for Chief
Yes, Your Honor.
Justice. You forget that.
Thank you, Mr. Justice. Totoo po na talagang hindi na pwedeng reviewin po ng hukuman yung decision pong ito. That's why po a justice should be very careful in ruling on cases pending before it, because it is the highest tribunal. It is the Supreme Court, and we have to bow and respect decisions of the Supreme Court.
Have you tried cases involving criminal law, complicated civil cases?
Your Honor, please, many of these cases are now in the Supreme Court, cases that have handled while in the office of Senator Diokno, and cases I handled on my own after the death of Senator Diokno. And several of these cases are now in DESCRA.
So you have handled cases on appeal,
On appeal,
not only
opo.
to the Court of Appeals but also to the Supreme Court.
Opo. The case of Nolasco versus Panyo on search warrants, the case of Surya versus Pineda on right to education that was decided by the Court of Appeals. And other several cases, Your Honor, I've handled and are now found in the SCRA and being studied by law students.
Well, let's go back to my first question. You do not propose that decisions as Chief Justice will be in Filipino.
Not at this time po, Justice Hermosissima. Mukhang hindi po handa ang ating bansa at
I
ating
was
mga kababayan.
wondering because all the while you have been talking in Filipino.
But I would favor at this time po opinions written in English or ponentias, but gradually po.
In the decisions that you write for the COMELEC, were these decisions in English or in
These were decisions,
Filipino?
Your Honor, please, written in English.
Oh,
Well, of course, in these proceedings, it's really for show because the whole country will be listening to you.
that's all, sir. Okay.
Salamat po.
Secretary Mosngi.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. I have no further questions. I'm sufficiently enlightened by the answers of the aspirant.
Kaibigan ko si Commissioner Rene. He used to appear before me sa RTC tsaka sa Sandigan Bayan Oh.
If I may add, Your Honor, please, I've appeared before Judge Valderrama,
Yeah,
Judge
yeah, I know.
Mendoza,
Yeah, I
Judge
know.
Peralta,
Yeah.
Judge
Even-
Bersamin,
Yeah.
sa RTC po.
You haven't changed yet. You're still the humble practitioner that we know.
Maraming salamat po, Justice.
Ang tanong ko lang